What's up guys, Dustin here, ATEM Off-Road. Thanks for stopping by and checking out today's video. I am super excited because as you can see, the Jeep has a hardtop. Today we're going to be doing a full maintenance restore and kind of rejuvenate the faded top that we got. It's a two-piece hardtop, so I'm super excited to have that on the Jeep. Over here, as you can see, I put the rack on the green Jeep, so that's the camper and everything's going to go to this Jeep. I think it's more overlanding, but I'm super excited about this Jeep because I finally got a hardtop and we're going to be giving it a refresh and basically add some new weather stripping to the bottom half of the top and just bring that shine back up. And I'm gonna kind of show you some before and afters and how I'm gonna do that with some products. I got my canopy set up for some shade. We don't want to overheat the products that we're gonna use on this. And that's kind of what we're gonna do in this video today. So stay tuned, let's get to work. All right, so I have the Jeep all taped up and prepped. I don't want any of this stuff going to be on my seals or the windows seals. I just want it on the faded part of the hardtop as you've seen earlier in the video. So I'm basically just going to cover the whole top with this stuff. I've already started doing some of it with this, and you can see tell the difference between before and after the product is on. And as you can see, I put some tape here over the seal, the new seal that we put on, and just have everything really nicely taped up. So we're gonna go ahead and cover that whole top, everything that you see that's not taped. Okay, so this is the product we're gonna be using. It's called Flood Penetrol. It's oil based. You wanna make sure that you get the oil based. Unfortunately, this stuff is outlawed in California. Can't buy it, but I had to order it from back east, special order. We got it in, we're lucky, good to go there. Also, I'm going to be using some gloves. I don't want this stuff on my hands, and I'm going to be using a microfiber towel to basically soak this towel with this product, and we'll just wipe it on there and just start wiping. And we'll do the whole door and probably do a couple coats just like that, and the same for this one. And I'm just going to kind of apply it pretty thick. And we're gonna let this dry for about 4 to 5 hours. And I'll show you what it looks like after the first coat. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'll get the corners here good, get the edges, and the top. And I'll let that dry and we'll come back to it. So I figured while I'm here, I might as well hit up the license plate plastics too. See how that works on this. Give that a couple coats and wipe it down pretty good. And we'll just see how it goes. So far it's looking pretty good. Alright guys, so a couple tips when using this product. I've noticed just by spending a couple minutes using the product is when you go to apply it to your microfiber cloth, or maybe you're having a foam sponge or whatnot, you want to keep your cloth as flat as possible when spreading this around. It will definitely help minimize brush strokes and stuff like that. I've already done 2 coats, and that technique with holding your sponge or your microfiber cloth, holding it flat as possible definitely helps. This stuff is actually made to add to oil based paints to help keep brush strokes and stuff out of the paint when you're painting it on different materials. This stuff spreads actually really good. So that's one tip. Another tip is what I'm standing on is a ladder. If you're short like me, you're not very tall, you can't reach those long distance areas, a ladder is definitely going to be helpful in doing this if you decide you're going to use this product on your hard top. The third tip is when using this stuff, take very good care and just be responsible using this stuff. It's no doubt in my mind why this stuff got banned in California. It's oil based and it gets everywhere, and you don't want it on the floor, you don't want it on other parts. It's kind of why I taped off these seals everywhere. You don't want it. You get it on your hands, definitely wear gloves, and just use this product with caution and safety. As you can see, I was using gloves. I took those off to finish this video. Yeah, you don't want it in your eyes, you don't want it on your skin, you don't want it on anything else other than your top and the areas where you have it masked off. So there's just a couple tips on just spending a few minutes working with the product. Time will tell actually how well the product is gonna last, but man, this is looking really, really good. I'm super excited and I'm kind of happy with the results using this product. So I'm gonna go kind of pull off the tape, we'll let it dry, and I'm gonna show you around and we'll conclude this video. Very nice. Okay, so this weather stripping right here, as you can see, goes all the way around to the side. I got 2 of these 8-foot at my local AutoZone. They're about $12 a piece, and you'll need 2 of these. But that's what I did to replace the old weather stripping on the sides. And over here it came out looking pretty good. And then after that was before I put the new weather stripping, before I put the hardtop back on the Jeep. And yeah, the results for the flood penetrable are looking really good. Super excited and thrilled with the way this came out. And I'm gonna take down this canopy and we'll get it in the sunlight and I'll show you the end results. But yeah, it came out looking really good. So guys, there's the window. I think it came out really good. Super excited. Here's the Jeep, and the top's looking really good. I do have to kind of buff up the windows. I got some hard water on here, but man, that's looking really good. And I think it came out good. Let me flip you around and we'll just talk about some future plans for this Jeep and what's going on with the front steering. The front steering, I have a heavy duty crossover kit I'm going to reveal in my next video, so stay tuned for that. I also have some doors that I'm going to be restoring for this and color matching it to the red paint, so that's coming up here in the future. And I also have those windows I want to install on those half doors. So I still have quite a bit of few things that I want to do to this Jeep. I really like working on Jeep, so if you see any value in this video, definitely hit the like button, consider subscribing, check out some of my other videos that may be helpful to you, and see what's going to happen next with this Jeep. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Have a good day. Peace out.